Bonjour et bienvenue à French for Beginners. Hello friends, welcome to my channel French for Beginners. Comment ça va? J'espère que vous allez bien. I hope you all are fine. So today I'm here with my another video with Apprenez le français book Leçon-2 Apprenez le français book number 1. In last video I have explained chapter 1 lesson 1 with the lessons and exercise. Today I am telling you I am explaining lesson 2. So let's start with me. Okay, so lesson 2 the book number ALF-1. So lesson 2 name is Compton ensemble. That means let's count together. Okay, écoutez, répétez l'alphabet. Listen and repeat the alphabets. Here I'll tell you the alphabets in French and you have to listen carefully and repeat after me. Although I have explained alphabets in my very first video, but according to this chapter I am repeating the alphabets again. So A is called A. B Bay. Bay. C they. D they. E a F G is called J. H ash. I E J is called G. K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So I have said all the alphabets. Now I am telling all the alphabets together. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Here I have said all the alphabets together. Now the next topic is given les accents. The accent. The accent you can say in Hindi. It's like in Hindi we use matra. हिंदी में मात्राएं यूज होती हैं. So it's just like that. The accents are given. So let's start with the accent. Les accents. What are the accents? Only with the help of accent you will be able to recognize that this is written in French. So first accent is accent aigu. Accent aigu, which is always put on E and right. This is called accent, which is always comes on E. Always remember which is always comes on E. L'accent aigu, which is always comes on E. And the first example is bébé. Bébé is baby. The second accent is accent grave. Accent grave, that comes on A, E and U, and it will like this. This accent comes on A, E and U. So the example of this is mare. E accent on E. Mare is called mother. The third accent, accent circumflex. Third accent, accent circumflex, which comes on vowel A, E, I, O, U, which comes on all the vowel. It's like the little cap over this, like this. This is called accent circumflex, and the example is death. Death. That means head. The another is accent sedial, which comes on only under the C. This is to use, this all are accent. See, it's written, accent are small signs placed on certain letter of the French alphabet, mainly vowel, to make a difference in sound. Only the accent is used to change the sound. So this comes under C, and example is garçon. Garçon. Garçon means boy. Another is so this is accent sedial, which comes under C only. Example is garçon. G-A-R-C, under C. I have mentioned this small sign of sedial. Garçon means boy. Another and last accent trema. Accent trema, which comes on E, I and U. The two dots. This is called accent trema, and example is Noel. That is Christmas. Alright, so these are the accents which I have explained. Next is given the dialogues. Here are two dialogues. I am going to pronounce the one dialogue. I am going to tell the second dialogue, which you have to only listen and repeat. This is, you will get this CD in your book, and then you can listen. Here nothing is given. Como vous appelez-vous? Pedro Garcia. Appelez s'il vous plaît. Repeat please. The one is saying, what is your name? Another says Pedro Garcia. Then the first one says appelez s'il vous plaît, because he did not understood the Pedro Garcia spelling. So he spelled it out according to the alphabet, like we just did it. P-E-D-R-O, Pedro Garcia. Next, tu t'appelles comment? François Perron. Ça écrit comment? How to écrire? Then he said the spelling of France. F-R-A-N-C, Sedial. And he said C with the Sedial. So this is only how to tell someone name. If if another person is not able to understand your name, you can tell the name according to this alphabet with an accent, if there is an accent in the name. Okay, next topic is les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets are the subject pronoun. So let's do the subject pronoun. So now here are the subject pronoun, singular and plural. First subject pronoun is je. Je or je apostrophe. This je apostrophe before vowels, and this je means I. When we have to use I, we need to write je. Next is tu. Tu means you. This you is we will use for singular. When there is a one person, we will use tu for a singular person, and this tu use for informal conversation as well. When we do informal conversation, when we talk with our friends, family, younger, we use tu for you. Another one, ill. Ill, that means he. Ill. Next, L. She. L. Now the plural of this. What will be the plural of I? That is we. And in French it is nous. The plural of I will be nous and the plural of je will be nous. Next, tu. The plural of tu will be you. Again you, but this means you all. You all. Here one you for singular, here you all. And this who is used for elders also. Elders. Like formal conversation we use who for elders. He. The plural of he will be they. They, masculine. One boy, boys. We put S. Here one girl, here they for feminine. ELLES, we put S. So here we have done the subject pronoun je, tu, il, el, nous, vous, il, el. We call it il and el. Although we have added S, but we call it il and el. Okay, next, le numero cardinal, the cardinal number. The numbers are given till 20. So I am repeating the number, so you can pronounce it with me. I am counting till 1 to 20. Means 1. 2. The. 2. The. 3. 3. Trois. 4. Quatre. 4. Quatre. 5. Cinq. 5. Cinq. 6. Seize. 6. Seize. 7. Sept. 8. With. 9. Nuff. 10. These. Here I have said the counting till 10. Now I am telling till 20. 11 to 20. 11. Owns. 11. Owns. 12. Douze. 13. Treize. 14. Quatorze. 15. Cans. 16. Seize. 17. Dix-sept. 18. Dix-huit. 19. Dix-neuf. And 20. Vingt. So here we have done Leçon-2 complete. In my another class, next class, I'll explain you the exercise. If you want to know the exercise, you can mention in the comment box. Although in the exercise it's given only the numbers which I have explained, which you can do it from yourself. So in my next class I'll explain chapter 3, lesson 3 of ALF-1. So till then, if you have not subscribed my channel, so do subscribe, press the like button and share as much as you can so that everyone can learn French with me, Neha. So press the like button. Au revoir, à bientôt.